crest into care, left 5 tightens long into chicane, right entry soft. Here it comes. There you go. And chicane left entry. And left 6 plus over bridge, 70. Small crest, 50. Left 6 plus extra long over small crest into right 6. Left 5 plus long into crest into right 5 minus long, no cut. Into left 5 short over crest deceptive. And left 4 no cut. Right 4 minus, loose long, 50. Left 6 plus, 150. Small crest, 70. Right 5 plus, 100. Left 6, 50. Small crest, 70. Left 6 plus, and left 5 plus, and care, 50, chicane left entry. And turn left 1 plus narrow. Turn left 1 into turn right 4 minus. Into left 5 minus. 70. Right 5 minus, tightens 4 minus, no cut. 100. Small crest 150. Right 5 opens 150. Right 6 plus into left 6 plus 50. Left 5 minus opens very long 100. Right 6. Left 5 plus over bump long 100. Turn left 3 plus 50. Right 5 minus long opens. And left 5 plus. Left 5 plus, 150. Left 6 over small crest long into right 5 plus. Into left 5 plus. Left 6 long over small crest into right 5 plus extra long off camber. Yeah, I carry more speed into the 5 pluses.
I heard off camber.
70, right 5 plus, 50. Left 4 opens, and right 5 minus. 100. Right 6 long. 50. Small crest, 70. Care, left 4 over crest, no cut down. Turn left 3 plus rough. And turn right 1 rough. Triangles. And left 5 short. Left 5 short. Turn left 5, opens long and tightens. Into small crest 70. Right 6. Into left 6 plus. Into small crest. Right 6 plus, 50. Left 5 plus long, 180. Small crest 70, right 4 late. going. Right 4 late 50. Left 6, no cut, 180. Right 6, 50. Right 6 and small jump. And left 6, 120. Right 6 plus, 100. Right 6 plus, 120. Right 6 over small crest, stay in. That's this next one, 70. Right 6 over crest, 70. Right 6 plus over small crest. Right 6 plus into small crest, 70. Small crest, 70. Left 6 plus very long over 2 small crests, 70. Small crest, 70. Small crest, 70 again. Left 5 plus, 120.
Just got this downhill.
Right 5 minus long over crest, 50. Left 5 plus over crest, ruts, 100. Turn right 3 plus over big crest, opens, 50. Small crest and left 6, 50. Small crest and left 5 plus. And right 6 plus, 70. Left 6, right 6 plus, 150. Right 6 over small crest, 300. Right 4 long over crest, 50. Left 6 tightens, 100. Right 5 plus over small crest, 70. Right 4 minus long. Again, right 4 minus long. Into left 4 plus, over crest. Into turn right 5 minus short. Into right 5 opens, 50. Left 6 plus, 50. Right 5 plus over crest. And small crest into right 4. Left 5. Into right 5. And left 4 plus, 400. Cowbell. Cowbell, cowbell. At the end of 400, right 5 plus over small crest, 150. Small crest into right 5 plus long, 50. Left 5 minus, opens tightens 5 plus. Into right 5 plus, over small crest, very long. Turn left 6 plus. 70, left 5 plus over small crest, 70.
Yep.
120, crest into left 6, tightens. Into right 5 plus over crest, 70. Left 5 plus over small jump, rocks right. Into crest into right 5, into small crest, 50. Left 6, no cut. Kinks 150. Stay left over small jump, 70. Left 5 long, no cut. Into small crest. Left 5 plus, no cut. Right 5 over crest. And left 5 plus, small crest. Right 6. Left 6 long tightens. And right 6 over small crest. Left 5 plus long, 70. Right 6 plus, 100. Left 6 very long, into right 4 plus, into crest 70, right 4 plus, into small crest 50, right 5 minus 50, right 5 minus over crest 150, left 6 plus 70, left 5 plus, into right 6, 120, left 5, into right 6, left 5 plus short over kick, into right 5, care 70, turn left 3 minus at T, 200, left 6, into right 6, again, left 6, into right 6 plus long, over small crest 70. Left 6 long 100. Right 5 plus, over bump long 70. Right 4 plus, very long, into left 4, very long. Opens over small crest, tightens 5 minus, and right 5 plus, very long, no cut. Again, right 5, very long, no cut. Left 6 long, 50. Left 6, no cut long, tightens, 150. Care, chicane, left entry. Right 6, extra long, over small crest, 300, cowbell. Stay right over long small crest, 70. Left 5 plus, over crest, stay out. And right 6, over small crest, into left 6 plus long, 50, rocks. Right 5 plus, 50.
Rock there, hold on.
Left 6, tightens 5 minus. And left 4 plus, no cut. 120. Right 6 over small crest, stay out. Small crest 70. Right 5 over small crest into left 4 plus. And right 6 over long small crest. 50. Right 6, keep out long, tightens 5. Into left 5 plus short over jump. 120. Left 5 over crest, no cut, 100. No cut, 100. Rocks, left 5 plus into right 6 plus. Into left 5 plus over small crest. Into right 5 plus over crest down into care. Left 4 over jump down. Into right 5. Into left 5 over small jump, 50. Rocks, right 6. Into care. Small crest, left 4 plus over jump loose, and right 3. Triangles, 50, left 6. Over small crest, 120. Crest into left 6 plus, very long. Into small crest, 50. Small crest into right 6 plus, into left 5 minus, 150.